I'm the next rock god of rock.
Probably didn't learn to play it until he was 2. Let's begin down the path to guitar enlightenment.
Can you record the whole thing?
No.
Here is your guitar.
This is the...
Start simply. On the neck of the guitar, we have the 5 fret buttons. Hold one down to choose the note. Then to play the note that you've chosen, use the strum bar. You can strum up or down. Remarkably simple indeed.
No, lesson 1, guitar
Now
tuning.
let us tune up your instrument. To tune a note, hold down a fret button, then strum up and down a couple of times.
That's how you tune a guitar.
Huh.
But in Guitar Hero though.
Now that your strings are in perfect harmony, you are ready to play. Notes will move towards you on the fretboard. Hold down the fret buttons to match the notes. When a note crosses the target on the button,
Record the whole
use the
thing.
strum
No, I don't want
bar
to record the
play.
whole
Hey,
thing.
stop.
Now you try it.
Now you try.
Perfect.
This
Perfect.
riff. Come on, do you like this cool riff? And we're doing a guitar battle at the end.
It may be tricky at first, but you'll be a rock deity in no time. Oh, a word of advice. If you're playing the same note twice or more,
Can you record the whole thing?
just keep the
Please.
button held down.
I don't want to.
Why are you just gonna do it?
Come on.
Now try
Did you
and
say
play
fine?
some more notes. Match the note
Are you gonna
colors to
really
the
do
fret
it?
buttons and use the strum bar to play them. When you have hit enough, we shall proceed. Excellent. Perfect. Sufficient, and your skills will increase with more practice.
Oh my goodness. Long notes.
When a long note comes at you, hold down the fret button and strum as usual. Then keep holding down that fret button for the entire length. If you let go too early, you'll know it because the sound of the note will get cut off. Practice these long notes. Remember, the trick is to keep the fret button held down for the entire note length. Excellent. Really good.
Uh-oh.
You're now ready to proceed.
All right, enough listening to that guy. Time for some real rock. Let's learn about power chords. That's when 2 or 3 notes come at you at the same time. Just hold down the matching fret buttons and then strum to play as usual. I'm sending
Yeah.
some chords your way right now. Diabolical.
Nope.
Diabolical. Don't suck.
Oh.
Brutal.
Pardon my slightly misguided, colleague. Let us get back to your rock education. This is the rock meter. It measures how well you play and what the crowd thinks of you. If you are playing adequately, the meter will be in the yellow center. As you start hitting notes, the meter will ascend into the green.
Yay.
Or, if you miss, the meter will descend into the pits of the red.
Yeah,
The meter will
sometimes
blink
that-
red as a sign that you are about to fail the song.
Oh no.
This meter over here is your score. Every note you hit gives you points. The more notes you hit, the more points you accumulate.
Yeah, whatever. Hook up with me later and I'll show you some other good stuff like star power and how to show off your skills in a guitar battle.
Next, you gotta go.
Guitar battle. No, do good. Don't do the whole thing. Just do the guitar battle.
The whole thing.
Oh, come on.
Just.
I can get back.
This is. It's okay. Let's go ahead.
Alright, here's what you gotta do. When you see the notes that glow with energy like those in this
Should have
combo,
gone straight for the
play
thing.
every note and you'll extract their energy as the star power boost. Ready to give it a shot? Remember, you have to hit every note in the combo to get the boost.
The lightning strikes on the guitar. The lightning strikes on the
Any
guitar.
self-respecting
I feel like
guitar
I
hero knows what
done
this
a-
is.
done
It's a whammy bar,
Star
Nimrod.
power.
You can rotate it around to a spot where you like it. Don't know what to do with it? Here, I'll tell you. When you see long notes glowing with energy like these, you can use the whammy bar to extract the energy into your star power meter. As you play the note, push the whammy bar in and out until the note ends. Give it a go.
Whammy ball. Too busy on the whammy bar.
Keep the whammy bar moving to gain even more star power. And don't forget to keep the fret button held down.
Song failed.
Alright, now you've got star power. When your star power meter flashes, it's telling you you're ready to unleash some rock and roll fury.
Tilt for
Then
star
you can
power.
tilt your guitar up.
Oh,
to release
that's
the
all I have
star
to do
power.
is tilt it
The
up.
result
I
is
didn't know that.
demonic. The crowd goes nuts, and your notes score double.
Huh, I did
Star
not know
power
star
ends
power
when the
worked that
meter
way.
is totally drained. Try it. Tilt the neck up, and then play these notes.
Tilt it up.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Since someone keeps fighting me for the opportunity to enlighten you, continue on to the next tutorial, and I will show you something new. How to smite the wicked in the epic struggle known as Guitar Battle.
Guitar battle time.
Okay, we'll put this.
Alright, guitar battle.
Job well done learning star power. Now it's time to
Hey, where are you going?
something new.
No. Dude, you're gonna hurt my you're gonna hurt my
Let's do
my
it.
cord. Stop it. Could have hit it with this. I'm not your opponent. And this one doesn't work with this. This is a rock
You're just
band.
pretending.
Whatever.
Star power no longer applies.
I'm recording. I'm not doing this. I can't do both.
Battle power, which allows you to attack your opponent. Acquiring battle power is just like acquiring star power.
This actually is a nicer guitar.
Just play every note in
This
the
is a much
star
nicer guitar.
sequence. Try it now.
You can just tap. You can just tap.
Man, he makes it sound so boring. Now for the fun stuff. Unleashing Hellfire in a guitar battle attack.
Guitar ball.
See that symbol that just popped up?
Yes.
That tells you what kind of attack you can unleash. Right now you've got an amp overload attack. It will overload your opponent's amp and make it harder for him to hit notes. To unleash an attack, tilt the guitar upward, just like star power. Try it now and watch your opponent cry in pain.
Immediately, I broke your poor guitar string right here.
Well,
Ha
now,
ha ha.
battle mode isn't all
Yeah,
fun and
broke
games, is
your
it?
string
There
on
are
the
many different types of
center.
attacks. Some make it harder to hit notes, and some require you to fix your guitar. It appears as though your opponent has acquired a broken string attack. To fix a broken string, you must repeatedly tap the button of the string that is broken. Until you fix that string, you won't be able to hit notes on it. See if you can save yourself and fix your broken string.
No, not my yellow.
Yep, we're both having broken strings.
Now listen up. Battle mode isn't about surviving. It's about beating your opponent into submission. And there's no better way to do that than firing multiple attacks. Right now you have 2 attacks loaded. The one at the top will fire first, but you can fire one right after the other and do more damage.
There it is. Let's go attack.
Use your attack. With this. This.
Excellent. You can get up to 3 power-ups loaded. Remember, if you don't finish off your opponent by the end of the song, it goes into sudden death, where every power-up can kill you. That's Guitar Battle for you. Now get out there and cut some heads.
Bye. Okay, good job. Bye.